Hi, and welcome to the vnCloud tour. What we're going to be doing today is showing you how to get started and create your first cloud server. When you first log in, you should see a screen with two options. The first option allows you to select a pool of resources that you can partition out into individual virtual machines as you see fit. This is what we've done in the past, and you should be fairly familiar with it. The second option allows you to purchase a virtual machine with the exact number of resources necessary. We'll go with the second option. Let's go ahead and create our first virtual machine. The first step is where you'll set the server's properties, which include label, hostname, root password, and of course, selecting a template. I'm kind of a meteorology buff, so I went with Cumulonimbus Cloud for my label. There are a variety of templates to choose from. Most are free, but occasionally you'll encounter some templates that'll set you back a few bucks. But I'm a pretty frugal guy, so for this demo, we'll stick with CentOS. When you're ready, click Next. The second step is to adjust your resources. I'm going to go ahead and give my machine 2 gigs of RAM, about 2 cores, 100 gigs of disk space, and I'm going to max out my port speed because I like it fast. So when you're ready, go ahead and click Next. Now for the boring part, payment information. Since we had no resources to begin with, we need to purchase some. As you can see, I'm adding a credit card to my account. You can manage any credit cards on file by clicking the Account tab and then going into the Credit Card section. Once you've completed the form, click Next to review your order. And finally, we've reached the Order Overview page. This gives you a chance to review the details of your order, confirm that everything's correct, including the price, and click the Submit button to finish up. As you can see, our virtual machine was created successfully. You'll arrive at the Resource Usage page, which will give you a snapshot of resources still available in your pool after having created a virtual machine. In this particular scenario, since we had no resources prior to creating our VM, you should see 100% usage. Let's go ahead and manage our virtual machines. After clicking the Cloud tab, you'll be taken to the Virtual Machines Overview page. Select the virtual machine you wish to manage to get started. This is your virtual machine page. As you can see, our virtual machine hasn't built yet, so it's still pending. Let's give it a minute. There it is. So let's take a look at some of the tasks we can do with our machine. We can rebuild the machine, reset the password, migrate, adjust resources, reboot to recovery mode, rebuild the network, segregate, or delete the virtual machine. Here we also have some information about the resource usage for this particular machine. We can also launch the vnC console. Let's click the Networking tab to see what we can do with our network. Here we have network interfaces, firewall rules. Let's add one. Let's give one to 192.168.1.1 on port 80, let's say. Should add pretty seamlessly. Let's check out our Storage tab. As you can see, we have various disks and backups. You can manage everything from this one page. Our logs show logs pertinent to this virtual machine. We've made it pretty easy for you to manage your virtual machine. You can accomplish just about any task from this one page. Managing your account is simple. To manage your account, click the Account tab from the top of the panel. On this page, you can manage users, orders, invoices, and credit cards. Let's check out users. Here you have an overview of all the users on your account. Let's create one. Just fill out the form, assign a role, and click Create. As you can see, the user has been successfully created. If you're having trouble with your virtual machines, click the Support tab to access our ticket system. Click the Submit New Ticket button to get started. The first step is to select the department. After you've done that, click Next. Then select the virtual machine you're referencing, and if you wish, supply us with your root password. Enter a subject, and in the message field, please make sure to provide us with as much detail as possible, including any steps you've taken to remedy the situation yourself. Once you're satisfied, click Submit when you're ready to move forward. Submitting a ticket drops us off in the Ticket Overview section. One of our favorite new features is the Quick Link functionality. If you want to save a page for future reference, click the star icon on the top of any page, then click Quick Link this page. Give the quick link a label and click Create. If the quick link saves successfully, you'll receive a green success notification at the top of the page. To access your quick link later, click the star icon again and click on your new quick link. So that was just a brief run-through of the Vault Network's control panel. If you have any questions or issues, make sure to open a support ticket. Thanks, and have fun.